Hello and welcome to Look and Learn English. My name's Martin. In this lesson, we are inside a police station. The police are looking for somebody. They have a description. Let's practice describing people. There are 5 people in the police station and a policeman. The 5 people are standing against the wall. Each person is holding a number. There is person number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, and number 5. Every person is different. Let's describe them. Let's look at person number 1. Person number 1 is a man. He is quite tall and he looks quite old. He also looks very strong. He has only a little bit of hair on his head. He has hairy arms and a hairy chest. On his arms, he has tattoos. He is wearing a white vest. And he is wearing green shorts with a brown belt around his waist. On his feet, he has black shoes. Now I'm going to ask you some questions. Please, tell me the answers. Is the man wearing a white vest? Yes. The man is wearing a white vest. What colour are the man's shorts? Green. The man is wearing green shorts. How does he look? The man is quite tall. He looks quite old. And he looks strong. Let's describe person number 2. Person number 2 looks like a professor or a scientist. Person number 2 is a man. He is short. In fact, he is very short. He has grey hair, a grey moustache, and he wears big red glasses. He is wearing a white shirt with short sleeves. He is wearing a big blue bow tie. He is wearing blue shorts and on his feet, he is wearing red flip-flops. In his hand, he has a flask, so we know he is a scientist or a professor. Okay, now I'm going to ask you some questions. Can you tell me the answers? Is the scientist wearing glasses? Yes. The scientist is wearing big red glasses. What colour is his shirt? White. His shirt is white. How does he look? He is short, with grey hair and a grey moustache. Now, let's talk about person number 4. Person number 4 is a man. He is very tall. He is very, very tall. He is a big man, and he has big hands and big feet. He looks like a monster. He is wearing a purple jumper with long sleeves. He is wearing green trousers, and in his green trousers there is a hole. We can see his leg through the hole. Now, let me ask you some questions about person number 4. Please tell me the answers. Is he wearing a green jumper? No, he is not wearing a green jumper. He is wearing a purple jumper with long sleeves. What colour are his trousers? Green. His trousers are green. How does he look? He looks very tall. He looks very big. He looks like a monster. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Please watch Adrian's lesson, and he will teach you how to describe the other people in the picture. See you again soon. Bye-bye.